How to use Google Maps offline on Android. This tutorial shows you how to download a map area so you can navigate without an internet connection. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Offline Maps from the menu. At this point, tap Select your own map to choose the area you want to download. Following this, a map will appear with a selection box. Pinch and zoom to adjust the area you want to save. From here, keep in mind that the larger the area you select, the more storage space the download will take up on your device. After that, tap Download to save the map to your device. At this stage, give it a moment to finish downloading. Once it's done, that area will be available to use without any internet connection. Finally, whenever you're offline, Google Maps will automatically switch to your downloaded map, and you can still search for places and get directions within that saved area. Keep in mind that offline maps expire after 30 days and will need to be re-downloaded. You can set maps to auto-update them so you don't have to do it manually. That's how you use Google Maps offline on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!